Alpine applause, unveiling the beauty of idiomatic expressions. Hello everyone, welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase, Alpine applause. This might sound a bit mysterious at first, but don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how to use it effectively in your conversations. So, let's dive in. The phrase, Alpine applause, isn't a common idiom you might find in everyday English. It's actually a bit rare and poetic. This expression refers to the sound of wind rustling through the leaves of alpine trees, which resembles the sound of applause. The term, Alpine, specifically relates to the Alps, a major mountain range in Europe. So, when someone mentions Alpine applause, they are poetically describing a natural phenomenon that is both auditory and visually captivating. Understanding the origin of an idiom can often help us appreciate its usage better. Alpine applause likely originated from travel literature or poetic descriptions of the Alps. Writers and poets, captivated by the serene beauty of the alpine forests, coined this term to describe the enchanting sound made by the trees. This term is a perfect example of how language can be used to create vivid and beautiful imagery. Now that you know what Alpine applause means, let's talk about how to use it in conversation. This phrase is best used in creative writing or when you want to add a poetic touch to your speech. For example, as we hiked through the mountain, the alpine applause of the wind in the trees was our constant companion. The only sound in the peaceful night was the gentle alpine applause. Remember, it's a poetic expression, so it might not fit in everyday casual conversations, but it's perfect for descriptive narratives or when you're setting a scene in storytelling. And there you have it, the meaning and use of the phrase, Alpine applause. Isn't it fascinating how language can paint such vivid pictures in our minds? We hope you enjoyed learning about this expression and found this video helpful. Keep exploring the beauty of the English language, and until next time, happy learning!